Welcome to our roundup of the best headlamps of 2026, the essential hands-free lighting tools that every adventurer, camper, hiker, mechanic, and homeowner should consider. Whether you're setting up camp after sunset, working in tight spaces under the hood, navigating trails at night, or handling power outages, a reliable headlamp gives you bright, focused light exactly where you need it. Today, we've selected top headlamps known for their brightness, comfort, battery performance, durability, and overall value. We'll cover key features like lumen output, beam modes, battery type, waterproof rating, and ideal use cases, so you can choose the perfect headlamp for your needs. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting with the Blooker LED headlamp. This model offers strong lighting performance and comfortable wear, making it a great all-around choice for general outdoor and work use. Featuring LED illumination, it provides bright, clear light that's useful for camping, hiking, or household tasks in low-light conditions. Its adjustable head strap lets you customize fit and stability, while the light's angle is easy to tilt for perfect illumination. Users appreciate how reliable it feels in everyday situations. Whether you're fixing a tire at night, walking the dog, or searching through a dark garage. While it's straightforward in design without overly complex modes, the Blooker LED headlamp delivers dependable performance for a variety of activities that require hands-free lighting. Next up is the LHKNL rechargeable headlamp, a great pick for people who want bright performance without the hassle and expense of disposable batteries. As a rechargeable model, it typically includes a built-in battery that you can top up via USB, a real convenience if you're traveling, camping, or just prefer easy maintenance. This headlamp often offers multiple brightness levels and lighting modes, letting you switch between high output for trail navigation and low output for close-up tasks. Users appreciate how cost-effective and practical it is to recharge instead of replacing batteries, and the comfortable head strap makes long wear days or nights easier on the head. If you want a blend of bright performance and modern convenience, the LHKNL rechargeable headlamp is a solid choice. Coming in next is the Energizer Universal Plus LED headlamp, a familiar name from a trusted brand. Energizer has long been associated with dependable portable lighting, and this headlamp continues that tradition with straightforward performance and robust build quality. Designed to handle everyday lighting needs, from walkouts to power outages to quick repairs, it typically features an adjustable beam, multiple output settings, and a comfortable strap that fits securely. Its LED light delivers consistent brightness and efficient power use. With easy controls, you can operate even with gloves on. Users appreciate how simple and dependable this headlamp feels when you need solid, no-nonsense illumination without fuss. If you want a reliable headlamp from a well-known brand with proven performance, the Energizer Universal Plus LED headlamp delivers. Stepping into a pair option, the Sun rechargeable 2 PCS LED headlamp gives you not one but two rechargeable headlamps, perfect for families, camping groups, or multi-use situations where more than one light source is beneficial. These headlamps typically feature USB rechargeability, bright LED output, and adjustable headbands for comfortable wear. Having two in one set means you can keep one as a backup or equip a teammate without the need for extra purchases. Users love this setup for group camping, backyard projects at night, or woodworking in low light. Anywhere hands-free lighting helps make tasks easier. While the separate headlamps may be slightly smaller than some high-end solo models, their combined value, convenience, and rechargeable design make the Sun rechargeable 2 PCS LED headlamp an excellent pick for shared use. Taking the top spot as our best overall headlamp this year is the LHKNL headlamp flashlight, a versatile, high-performing choice that balances brightness, comfort, durability, and convenience. This model typically includes adjustable brightness levels, multiple lighting modes, such as flood beam, spot beam, and red night vision mode, and a comfortable, adjustable head strap for all-day or all-night wear. Its LED output delivers crisp, consistent light that's useful for outdoor activities like hiking, running, and camping, as well as practical tasks like home repairs, attic work, and emergency lighting. Users often praise how comfortable it feels on extended wear, how easy it is to adjust beam focus and intensity, and how well it holds up in various conditions. Many versions of this headlamp also include water resistance, making them suitable for rainy trails or misty conditions, and the lightweight design ensures you won't feel weighed down during long outings. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or need a dependable headlamp for household and emergency use, the LHKNL headlamp flashlight earns its top spot for its all-around performance and versatility. All of these headlamps serve different needs and lifestyles. The Blooker LED headlamp and Energizer Universal Plus LED headlamp are solid everyday options that deliver dependable performance with simple controls. The LHKNL rechargeable headlamp and Beccasun rechargeable 2PCS LED headlamp offer modern rechargeable convenience and value for shared or frequent use, while the LHKNL headlamp flashlight stands out as a powerful, versatile choice with multiple modes and reliable output for a wide range of activities. That wraps up our list of the best headlamps of 2026. Whether you're gearing up for outdoor adventures, preparing a home emergency kit, or just need dependable hands-free lighting, there's a perfect model here for your lifestyle and budget. Let us know in the comments which headlamp you'd choose, or if you already own one of these models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest deals and grab the best headlamp for your needs today.